Do you know what that green sprocket or gear means next to that drive symbol? Stay tuned, find out. Here's something interesting about the C8 Corvette. If you're sitting at a red light and you were to pull both paddle shifters in, you'll see the D blinking. That means that you've disengaged the clutch and the transmission as to not put extra stress. But if you let go of either one, it'll stay in that position so you have your other hand free to do stuff. If you push it again, though, you'll see the green sprocket or the green gear show up. And what that means, you're in a competitive shifting mode where the computer senses you're in a spirited driving and it changes the shift points of the gears. Just a little tip. As well, you may have noticed that if you are driving in a very spirited fashion, the ECU of this car will automatically determine that you are driving in a spirited way where it will change the shift points of the gears to be more competitive. It's the competitive gear setting, and it will do that for you automatically. Like, share, subscribe. Joe C8 Garage. Woohoo!